Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS on Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. We will go to our favorite browser and after that come over the search option and search for Microsoft SQL Server and then click enter. After click enter, here you will get the first link called SQL Server Downloads. Click on that. After that, here you are in downloading interface. So after scroll down a little bit, here you will get to option called Developer and Express. I would like to go for the Express option because it's totally free. So click on download now. And after that, here you can see the download is completed right now. Here you can see. So click on it for download. So now here you will get a notification. Do you want to allow app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. And then minimize the browser. And here you can see that Express Edition is selected installation type. So I will go for the basic. And then click on accept terms and condition. And here is the install location. If you want to change install location, then you can choose by clicking on browse. And here is something important, that the download size is 278 MB and you need to require 6 GB for free in C drive. If you have that minimum space, then click on install and here you can see the installation will be started. So it will take some of minutes. So here you can see download is successful. Now it's installing. So it will take a couple of minutes as well. So here you can see the installations has completed successfully. And now here you can see there is some of package location over here. So leave it as it is as default. So that is not a problem. So after successfully installed server SQL Server 2022, then come over this install SSMS. So click on that. And here is another tab will be opened. And from here you need to download. So for downloading, you need to scroll down a little bit. And here you will get download SSMS. So click on the link and the download will be started. So it will quite big. So it will take some of minutes. So for that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see that SSMS is downloaded right now. And now we're going to set up. For that, click on it 2 times. And minimize it. Close it right now, no problem. Just close it. And after that, here you will get the install interface of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Click on install. Click yes. And then here you can see the package is loading. So it will take also some of minutes. So for that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see that all the specified components have been installed successfully. So after completing the setup, just click on close and then come over to search option and search for SQL Server. And here you will get this. Here you can see SQL Server Management Studio for 20. And just click on it. And here we can see that Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is getting started. Here we are in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. And here you need to set the server. Here you can see the server type is database engine. And click on optional and create type. After that, here you can see that we are in SQL Server, and for creating any database, for which now we will show you how to create database in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So for that, you need to click on new query. After clicking on query, this kind of interface will appear and create database borders and close it and create execute. And by this, here you can see the command completed successfully. So here you can see this is how you can write any of your database, and you can doing it right away. If you're doing it right away, then the commands completed successfully. And this is how you can install or download Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS on Windows 10 or 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.